today I'm with Misha and we are very busy today. We are heading for Glen Etive and Misha will be our video director today. Crazy director, so she will be in charge. We are just in Balahulish. We are ready to go. So let's get into it.
On the road. I'm excited, but also scared. This road is really bumpy. Dude, this road is so bumpy right now. I'm bouncing up and down. There's also an ocean slash river thing. Don't know why. Ocean, river, beach thing. But there's town.
We are just going through
Kind of.
Glencoe village.
Yeah. I've been here. I believe. There's a boy. Who's dad out.
We have our bin lorry here.
Ooh, there's your friend.
Moisey. Away we go. We are heading for Glen Etive.
A mountain in the distance. It looks lovely. There's this big one on this side. I don't think you can see it. Wow, we can't see it basically. And there's this, go to the side. Yeah, you can see it. It's kind of like a volcano. Or if it is a volcano. I don't know. Sheep. Sheep, sheep.
Sheep.
I just love sheep. They're like my favorite animal.
We are approaching Three Sisters Mountains.
Yes. I'm scared. Till I see a rock coming down on us from this big mountain. Okay, there's a campsite. Lovely to see. Smell nice right there. Camper van. Gives it one camper. Okay.
We have Three Sisters on the right hand side.
Two mountains and a road. Of course, we're driving on flowers. So pretty. Yeah, there's some out there. Quite a lot. Yeah. And these are quite big mountains. No one. Those streams are really cute. Mountains.
So we turned off for Glen Etive right now. Misha is of course enjoying her candies. Whoa.
I love bumpy roads.
he wants. Yeah. We can see that the tourist season is open because we just passed some tents. People are out for camping.
Can we go camping soon?
Yeah, we will go out for camping soon. Yeah, yeah. We've been out on camping last year, didn't we?
Yeah.
We went to Loch Carron, Applecross, Loch Torridon and Glen Etive. We had a very nice trip. Misha, what was your favorite part of camping?
Toasting and roasting and twisting cans, soft eating marshmallows.
Marshmallows.
Tents!
Yep. Someone is up for camping.
That's like 3 tents. This area is famous for camping.
Yeah. We have a nice tractor in front of us. Green John Deere. And away he goes. Yep. Someone needs to back off. Yep.
Back off.
We are in the middle of nowhere.
It is okay, somewhere to start. How much longer?
How much longer?
Million hours, okay.
Not too long, I think. Misha is yawning. You want to have a nap? Yeah, I think that's our place. Yeah, I can see a skip. Can you see a skip, Misha? It says McLaren, so we are
In the wrong place.
we are in the right place.
Wrong.
Do you want me to keep going then?
No. So I'm just about to wander around. And I'm just taking like those annoying thing on Earth. The glory. I know.
That's a dust blower, air blower, air gun, air gun. Hey,
Yeah. Also, Dad, like that. The like big window. See everything? How about a burglar in this tree? Because see that? For that mirror right there. I'm kind of close about all of the people around. Sorry. Okay. Let's blow this air gun. Sorry. It's my favorite thing. It's so nice. It's so cool. Daddy, I have a question to ask
What's
you.
up?
I have a question to ask you.
what's up?
Ever tried to do this on camera? Crazy.
Crazy. I love it. Okay.
No.
should take the air gun off next time when Misha goes out with me.
So we're on our way back. And guess what I have? Yes. Yes.
Misha is very crazy today.
I am very crazy today. Using an air gun.
Misha, what's your favorite thing in the lorry?
The air gun. So there's this house right there.
Dalnes Estate. Very nice house. A wonderful place.
Yeah.
And we were just talking to Misha that we are so lucky that we see all these beautiful things when other people are coming from all over the world to see what we see every day. What do you think, Misha?
Yeah, right. Yeah.
We need to have some lunch, don't we? Glen Etive is actually busy. What do you think, Misha?
Yeah.
Plenty of cars, eh? Plenty of tourists. I went on the other side of this bridge with Franek, and that was actually crazy. That was a hard one. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we are just going to have our lunch.
I'll eat your brains.
Break. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That would be
Please.
great. And we will see you on the next one.
Yay.
Bye.